Hi, my name's Kellyanne. I'm from Australia and I am on day 13 of having a face and neck lift and temporal lift with fat transfers with Dr. Ali and his team. And I'd just like to say that this has been the most wonderful experience. I've experienced great friendliness from Dr. Ali and his team. They've been so supportive the whole process. I found him on Google, but I did do my due diligence and did research into him and just found that he was the doctor for me. As soon as I met Dr. Ali on Zoom, I felt comfortable and at ease. And as soon as I made the appointment to come and get this procedure done, it's been flawless, absolutely flawless. And I highly recommend that if you're looking for a surgeon here in Istanbul, come and see Dr. Ali. You won't regret it.